This style weighs less than 4 ounces. Isn't that fantastic? And that's due to the fine fiber, the lighter density application, and this beautiful lightweight cap. It's so soft and fluffy and airy. This wig was sent to me by Wig Studio One. You can find it right here at Wig Studio One. If you drop below this video, there'll be a direct product link in the description. If you click on that link, it'll take you right out to the site. You can see all of the colors and pricing. If you have any questions, please reach out to support@wigstudio1.com. Now, I have opened this box already just to do an inspection of it, get a little bit of detail and a feel for the style. However, I have not styled this. And I can tell you based on the like style that I just reviewed, this fits me perfectly petite average. So we're going to go through that again, sizing on this one as well. This one is stunning, guys. This one really blew me away. Again, this flash, and it's in the color Champagne Rooted. So let's take a look at this color real quick first. So this Champagne Rooted is a 24, 25, and a 20. So it's a combination of some ash, some beige, and some gold blondes. It's pale overall, very pale, and it does have a deeper root throughout. I look at this neutral leaning warm. Applications of this color vary so much from piece to piece by Ellen Wille. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the inside of this cap. Look at that. So we've got an extended lace front, so that goes right back into the ear tab on either side. That eliminates the appearance of those seams right there. Very wide, generous monofilament part that runs right through the center all the way back to the hind crown. It's like a little mini mono top. Then we have a closed ear tab. Lots of good coverage there. An extended felted nape with Velcro style adjusters. Lots of wefting and darting, giving it a custom-like fit. So let's go ahead and apply it, and I'll first remark on the fit. Now, the manufacturer suggests that these are more petite average. And that's good to know for you out there that like a petite or a petite average. And then also, if you have a large circumference, can you squeeze into this? We're going to find out. Oh. This one just really blows me away. I don't know, maybe I'll be able to put my finger on why, but let's start with that wispy fiber. Holy cow. Again, this is made from regular synthetic. It is not heat friendly. Let me remark on the fit before I forget. This is a true petite average fit for the circumference, ear to ear, and front to back. It fits me like a glove with no adjustments. You're going to be very happy with this if you're petite, petite average, even average. But if you start getting above 22-inch circumference, I think it might be a little bit too tight for you. So wow. The bangs, that's another reason to love this style so much, I think, because of this beautiful wispy bang. Oh my gosh. It's just barely there. It's just so natural feeling. The overall density is very natural as well. This is a longer kind of a shag style with a bang. And you're going to see some flips and waves. It's kind of classic on this shaggy layering. Overall, I think it's about 17 to 18 inches overall. I can certainly appreciate this layering. It's just so flattering. They've really perfected this look around the face because you've got that 4-inch bang that will just curl right back up into the style, and that moves down into the longer layers that frame the face perfectly. So we talked about it being a light density. Yes, these fibers are amazing. They're a fine fiber, very silky to the touch, a very feathery movement and feel. And then combined with a lower permatease application. Now I find that there's more permatease on this one as compared to the like style that I reviewed previously. Let's see, yeah. Down here at the nape, you're going to find some of that fluffy permatease. Definitely not overdone. And it's not carried through very thick here at the crown. So it gives you a nice appearance of a natural volume right there on the top. This style weighs less than 4 ounces. Isn't that fantastic? And that's due to the fine fiber, the lighter density application, and this beautiful lightweight cap. So let's get up close on this lace front because I think you're going to take advantage of that nicely here. So that center monofilament part with a very wide and deep lace front just gives you so many options for up and overs, even with bangs. This is definitely not lost within these bangs. Just gives you so much more flexibility. Look at that, just doing a little bit of a flip up. You can definitely wear it down over the forehead and more of a lower profile. And just take your fingers and wispy up those bangs from the top. You remember your fiber is going to behave how the root is directioned. So if you work at the root level, you can definitely get your desired look more easily. Isn't that great? It's so soft and fluffy and airy. So next, I'll just do a quick spin for you so you can see from all angles in a slow motion. And then I'll take you outdoors for a look at this color in natural light. Then we'll be back with some styling. I think this is another one in that collection that is going to work very well with glasses. There's no permatease or thicker densities in that area, so yes, this is very friendly if you're a full-time glasses wearer or a cheater glasses wearer like me. So let's go ahead and move this around. Pay attention to how this fiber moves, how wispy it is, how fluffy it feels, and be inspired to style this because that's really what will make it yours. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you soon right back here at TAZS's Wig Closet.